How can we convert PDF to Excel? Here we have the PDF file. If we want to extract all the data from PDF, the first thing we all do is try to copy and paste in Excel. As you can see, it doesn't copy properly. It didn't copy the format and data in proper structure. So what is the solution? How do we properly copy or extract data from PDF? The easiest solution is to open a new Word file and open your PDF file in the Word and then convert into an editable Word document. So press OK. And this is what we get. Then what you need to do is click on the corner here. Then right-click and then copy it. And come back to the Excel and simply paste it. Now you have just pasted the data from the PDF file to Excel. Now format it as you want. Please comment down below so I can make new videos on your content. Thank you.